Hey everyone, thanks for coming back again, and today I am dropping a hair review video. Before I even skip forward to the video, can y'all please subscribe onto my channel, turn on notifications, follow my Instagrams, my makeup Instagram and my regular Instagram. So if y'all can do me that quick favor, I'd love y'all forever. Today I will be making a hair review video on this wig I got that got me feeling like I'm that bitch, and I'm gonna tell y'all the details about this wig. I got this wig from Amazon. Don't know who the vendor is, but I'm gonna leave the link below so you can have the vendor's name. But I got it from Amazon, and since Amazon hooked me up with that free Prime for 6 months, girl, you already know I've been ordering like crazy, and I got this wig in 2 days, so the shipping was quite fast. I was gonna be upset because Amazon almost delayed me for a day. Like, I don't know honestly why are they delaying so much. Where Amazon exactly fucks up is like, there's no reason for me to be having Prime paying for Prime and then having my package a day later than what it's supposed to be. Like, if that's the case, I'm better off having regular Amazon account, you know? So I feel like Amazon is ripping people off slowly, but I still got my stuff, so that's all that matters. The delivering itself, I feel like it's terrible because Amazon, like, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, the way Amazon delivers, it's so terrible in my opinion, because they'll literally just throw your package outside and not care. But what I ordered is a frontal wig, 20 inches, and it gets to me right over here. It's pretty long to me. It's a frontal, it came in pre-plucked, so literally all I did was bleach my knots and install a wig and pluck it a little bit in areas that I wanted to be plucked more. That's what I did. It didn't really require a lot of work, honestly, which is a plus for me because I've ordered frontals before where I have to sit down for an hour or two just straight plucking when I could have just had it installed, you know, just wasting my time a lot, and honestly I don't like it at all. So the fact that it came pre-plucked and it came actually like nicely pre-plucked is a plus. Is the hair budget friendly? I mean, if you're looking to spend less than $100 on a hair, you're spending it probably on some short ass hair or on some thin ass hair. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, this is budget friendly, but 100 is budget friendly. 120 is budget friendly. 150, depending what length and how dense it is budget friendly. But if it's anything more than 150, it is not budget friendly in my opinion. So this hair is definitely budget friendly. If you're looking for a quick style for Thanksgiving or Christmas, I would definitely recommend this hair. The grade of this hair is 9A. It's pretty silky, it's pretty soft. I'm not quite sure what the grade means. I'm trying to learn more about hair. But if it's 9A, it's definitely good. Let's just leave it at that. So the fact that it can straighten up fast and it stays straightened out throughout the day and it's not as frizzy is a plus for me because I'm a busy person and I do not like to be spending a lot of time on my hair, straightening it out and doing a lot of stuff to my hair. I just want it to be fast and quick and easy. The hair definitely came in with a smell like, it smells like any other hair that you would order, and it comes in with that little perm smell. Like, I don't know what kind of smell it was, but I hate it, so I had to wash it and give it like a cold wash, a quick washing and conditioner, because I hate that smell and I was not trying to smell like whatever rusty smell it was. Like, this hair is too pretty to be stinking that much. I don't know what these vendors been doing, but the smell gotta go, definitely. I have not seen as much shedding on the hair yet because it's quite new, but I will update you guys in 2 weeks and I will let you guys know in about 2 weeks if it caused a lot of shedding or not, because quite frankly it's too early in the game right now to tell if it sheds a lot or not because I haven't seen any, but so far it's good. Would I recommend this hair? Personally, I really would because it's soft, it came in fast shipping. The delivery was quite terrible though, I'm not gonna lie, but other than that, the shipping was quite fast. The hair is very silky, it's soft, It has a nice wave to it once you like have it in your bonnet during the night. In the morning, the lace is beautiful. Like, people been like, is that your scalp or is that the lace? Because I'm like, oh, like, okay, Amazon, you're coming in through. I rate it a 9.5 out of 10 just because the smell of the hair, I did not like it. Like, I personally found the hair to reek when I first got it, but other than that, the lace is beautiful, the plucking was beautiful, it came in with sideburns, so that's a plus for me. The lace actually covered my whole head. Like, some frontals don't be covering my whole forehead, but the fact that this one covered it, it's a plus because that means this is the right cap size for me. This is the end of my video. It's a quick review, so if you're looking for quick style, cute stuff, this is really it. I definitely recommend it. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, comment, say whatever you want to say. I have other hair videos if you want to look at it. I'm gonna be leaving it. It should be popping onto the sides of this screen right now as we speak. So yeah, I have these videos. Check them out if you want to look at a curly hair or if you want to look at a body wave. Whatever you want to look at, these are the videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.